Let's begin by taking 2 cups of rice flakes, that is poha. Rinse it 2 to 3 times, straining out the dirty water. Now let's add to it salt as per taste, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, cumin seeds, that is zira, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder AAMCHUR, then half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, that is haldi, half to 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, dhaniya, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, pudina. Mash in 2 boiled potatoes. Then let's add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix and mash everything together into a dough. Now take small lemon-sized portions of the dough, apply a little oil over your palm if you feel sticky, roll them, and then we'll coat it with bread crumb. Let's pierce these made balls with toothpick so that they don't remain raw inside when we fry them. Let's now fry them in hot oil, keeping the heat to a medium till they are golden brown in color. This easy to make tasty snack gets ready in no time. Serve it hot with any sauce or chutney. If you like the recipe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up below, share it with your family and friends, and do consider to subscribe our channel, giving your valuable feedback and comments. See you with another recipe. Till then, keep healthy, enjoy cooking, and bye bye.